Hello everyone, today we're diving into the impressive features of the EPOMAKER CIDOO V75 via wireless aluminum mechanical keyboard, a versatile tool for gamers, programmers, and office workers alike. This 75% gasket-mounted keyboard offers a smoother and more comfortable typing experience, thanks to its imported pour-on foam strip that reduces noise and enhances the overall typing feel. With triple connectivity modes, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, and USB-C, you can seamlessly switch between up to 5 devices, making it perfect for those who need flexibility and reliability. The VIA programmable feature allows you to customize key functions, macros, and RGB lighting effects, providing a personalized typing experience tailored to your needs. Its south-facing LED and dye-sublimation PBT keycaps not only offer durability but also create a vibrant and uniform backlighting effect, enhancing the keyboard's aesthetic appeal. Compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, and Linux, and equipped with a detachable USB-C cable, this keyboard meets all your connectivity needs while its 3000 mAh rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting power. Finally, the sandwiched pour-on foam and IXPE switch cushion provide a quieter, more comfortable typing experience, making the CIDOO V75 a top choice for anyone seeking a high-quality, customizable keyboard. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.